No, 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 no.
It's really just reps. Like, the more reps you can get mentally, the more reps you can get really doing it. It just becomes secondary. It just becomes routine. And then another thing too, and I'm sure you see it because you've been this route. You kind of know how to approach a situation like an intersection. You know what I mean?
The Ashland design over there, we might need to hit them up. Ashland, no construction joint.
Be cautious. Be cautionary. Have a plan. Okay. What if he pull out right here? Your foot already on the brake.
Got you.
You know what I mean?
Proactive instead of reactive.
Absolutely. That's the name of the game.
So what about the work today though? So like, how you feel about the work today? You know what I mean? Like what you had, what kind of work you had. Tell everybody what kind of work you did and you know how you navigate that today.
Okay, getting loaded at the quarry. It's my first time really going in the quarry instead of, I went past the office today. So that was like, I got a lot from that. Like, again, how they approach their safety out there. It's like everything is marked off, reading signs, getting weighed first, getting weighed empty, what that process was like, going to get loaded for the first time, what that process is like. Well, actually a truck got stuck. So that kind of like delayed things for me dumping. So a couple trucks were able to get in front of me. And then I was able to see, okay, this is kind of like what they want done. And after seeing that, great drivers, I just follow what they did. They're not going to do a lot of communicating. So this is another thing. This also happened too while the truck was stuck. He tried to get me to dump beside the truck on some new material that just got laid down. And it was kind of in a tight corner anyway. So I'm like, nah, bro, it's unlevel. He said, okay. Like, so they kind of let you kind of police yourself. And that was like, you know, he responded to me by like, oh, okay, I see you in the street. You want to come right here? You can dump it right here? I'm like, nah, it's too level. So I just sat right there on the side and waited until they gave me more instructions. And then again, just back to the mental reps. Mental reps.
It's a lot of work out here, man.
A lot.
It's a lot of work out here.
Going on.
A lot of building.
And it's not even dunk season yet. True dunk season is not here yet. It's not. I'm also really excited about the night work. Like what that's gonna be like. Definitely gonna be on my safety measures there for sure.
Yeah, you got one, boy. Got one, Shell. Oh, shit.
I feel good. Felt great getting out there. Had a lot of mental reps. But today, I couldn't even sleep last night. I popped up straight up this morning. Put on my clothes like the first day of school. Felt really good though. Felt really good, really comfortable. Wasn't my first time on the construction site, so I kind of knew, like, you know, the hand signals. And most importantly, just being patient, waiting on instruction. Went through a whole tank of fuel running by the load today. ABC. I like dumping ABC. Sometimes you spread it. Sometimes you just dump the whole load. Felt good though. Felt good. Blessed to have some more opportunities to work tomorrow. Headed home, get some gas, clean out the bed, get right back to it tomorrow. I'm gone.